What's up, everybody? Sorry to meet you under these circumstances. Probably means somebody broke something. Well, this video might be the good news that you're looking for. I've had this beautiful little bird statue for quite some time. I just really like it. And the colorations. Like, if it's bright in the room, it's blue. And when it gets darker, it reflects green. Just really like that. Well, the tail of the bird should look something like this one. But along the way, I have no idea how it happened or even where the missing piece is. But, yeah, this one's missing its tail. It's just disheartening to see. And I don't want to get rid of it. Plus, nobody wants a broken statue anyways. It's usually like the first thing you see is the broken part. Well, my first thought was clear glue, but I don't think it's thick enough for this job. So then clear caulking? But sometimes that can dry a little cloudy. I need something that's kind of thick that's guaranteed to dry perfectly clear. And that's what led me to this Lexel clear plastic sealant. And it says right here, can use on glass. And it's crystal clear. Bam, nailed it. Well, that's all I needed to see. So cut your desired hole size. And for now, I'm going to try to get a nice amount of it on there. Need to rebuild this tail. I'm going to need a little more here. And I'm going to try to shape it. Give myself a nice foundation. I'm just using popsicle sticks or whatever's around, whatever's handy to avoid getting glue all over my hands. Going little by little here, trying to get more to stick together as it slowly dries. Seems to be working. You know what? I'm just going to let this dry overnight and then keep touching it up more tomorrow once this base dries. Then I can really fulfill that shape.
Day 2, 24 hours later. Oh my god, this is what I sound like as a mouse.
Looks like it receded a tiny bit when it dried. No worries. So I'm going to do the same thing as yesterday. I'm just going to build up that spot with glue and shape it. Can see now with some more time and patience, this is gonna work. All right, much better. Well, this seems like it's as close as I'm gonna get. I don't want to overdo it. Definitely don't want to overkill. I'll take it. You know, across the table you can hardly tell, and across the room you definitely won't be able to tell. And if somebody didn't know that part was broken, they wouldn't be looking for it. That's just, it all blends in perfectly. This is great. But from across the room, you could have definitely spotted that broken tail. Well, I'm calling this one a success. I had a centimeter of tail to fill and fix, but if you had a glass statue with something like this going on, this should give you hope. Especially if it's only a small chip somewhere. You could maybe even drop fill it with this Lexel stuff. Potentially. Yeah, rather if just a little chip of an eye or something like that, I could just put a little dab and fix an eye or something. But, I'm happy with this. Here's a video just for you and proof that it can be done. Every situation is a little bit different, I know, but at least I can leave you with hope. And hope is fuel for the soul. Thanks for watching.